Chef RedBeard here with Dherbs Kitchen. I have a basil, banana, and blueberry smoothie for you guys that is going to be sure to brighten your day. My trusty blender here, high-powered blender, would work. If you do not have a blender, do not try mixing this by hand. You can use a smaller food processor just without the ice. You can freeze your fruits, which I have here. You can freeze the banana. You can add that first. That'll add some creamy texture. Then you can add your blueberries. Since we do have a blender, I'm going to add ice first. Flaxseed. This is ground flaxseed directly on top of the ice, followed by a half cup of almond milk. There's a recipe on our site for almond milk. Store-bought is completely fine. Lemon juice. It's about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice there. For some body and some protein, and just to give it some nuttiness and some fat and some richness, we have some almond butter. This is 2 tablespoons, if I can get all of it out. Say 1.5, just in case. Frozen bananas. This is 1 banana, frozen. If you don't like so much of that banana, you can use half of the banana. This is 2 cups of frozen blueberries. Smoothie is delicious right there. A little razzle dazzle, gonna take it up a notch. I have some fresh basil that I'm just going to tear. It's about 8 to 10 leaves of basil. Leave some of this for the garnish. Blend away. This is beautiful. Pours directly into your glass. If you like a little thicker or a little thinner, you can blend it longer. It'll incorporate more air and make a fluffier smoothie. If you'd like it a little thinner, you can add more almond milk. But this is our beautiful, blissful banana, blueberry, and basil. Look at that. Easy, right? Bananas, blueberries, almond milk, almond butter. You have these things in your pantry, in your refrigerator. You're thinking what you can do with it. If you have something left over from a salad or from another recipe. If you've noticed, a lot of these recipes, the ingredients fold into one another. That's why I'm here, to help you guys. If you like this video and like to see others, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Click the little bell icon in the corner. Make sure you follow us at www.dherbs.com/Chef RedBeard. Enjoy.